All right, our good sponsors, the people over at Cube Speed Equipment. Look what they did for us. Where they found this photo, I don't even know. This was on the first T-shirt we ever launched. Mason drew this. But yeah, I don't know where they found that, but great people over at Cube Speed. So get your short shifters there. They sent us short shifter for Ben's Skyline and a short shifter for Noah's SR, and they sent Ben a T-shirt like they sent us before.
Yeah. Shift, yeah. That's what it says. Thank you. Whoa, there's more stickers on here.
Really?
I just saw a picture of you guys' face on it.
Really?
Oh no! Where did they find that?
That's on my Instagram. No, we posted that on Moist Boys.
Oh
I don't know where I
no!
found
Is that
this.
from Halloween?
I don't even think we ever made this sticker, so I don't know.
That's like the Night Runner.
Well,
album
here's
cover.
here's our Halloween. Oh fuck! Look at Noah's face. What were you thinking, man?
So happy.
That's
I know. That's because I had my hands on his hips.
They even know my size.
They know everything about us.
Yeah.
No. But yeah,
stickers.
these people are great. So if you want to buy anything, excellent customer service, excellent everything, excellent products. Man,
We were talking about
Okay,
them,
sorry,
man.
I
Come on now.
Fancy.
There you go. Nice.
I was gonna buy one of these like a super long time ago, but then I ended up swapping my car. So this is like full circle.
Wow.
Dream come true.
Crazy.
it's the circle of life. Yeah.
Gotta always read the instructions first. Should I take the Sylvia out? Is it gonna be in the way? No. Let's take it out. Best thing about Skylines is you can take them apart with just your hands. Yes. Or try to tape that on there. Oh yeah. Hopefully that goes back on easy. Can you see it?
Alright, I'm going to read you some of the benefits of the Cube short shifters. I have one in my car. We put in a long time ago. It's awesome. Would highly recommend. Cube also has multiple levels. They have the regular short shifters, which are really affordable, similar to the price. Actually, I think it's exactly the price of like an ISR. And then they have the premium. So they're factory quiet, insulated shift lever, reduces noise and heat transfer from the trans to the car interior. Simply incredible second to third gear shifts and a super defined H pattern shift gate. This is thanks to their shifter lever centering springs, which are 4-way adjustable to increase centering force from 15% to 255% over stock. That's crazy stonks. So the link will be in the description. Great sponsors. We're very happy with my short shifter at least. So yeah, check it out.
Oh wait, Ben, I know.
This goes first.
It doesn't. The instructions not say.
No,
Oh,
Ben,
it's
this
confusing.
goes first. Then this goes over top and sits in here and seals it. You know
Look
what I'm
at
saying?
that premium cube shift knob. Very well weighted.
And then where's the other white thing? See, this will go. Then this will go in here like this, right?
And then
Wait, here, hang on. Switch me. Go in like that. Now watch. Watch the magic. See what I'm saying? Like that?
oh, it's installed already now.
Yeah, you're good to go.
Sweet. Okay. Okay, this thing goes in first.
Yes.
Thank you.
Well, that's never coming out now. Good thing Cube's unreal short shifters.
Cool. And then these rings go on next, right?
Yes.
I'm just gonna do whatever you tell me to do.
Alright, because I know exactly what I'm doing. It's fine. We'll get through it. Don't worry.
These things, there's like a little ridge in there
Yeah.
that fits in there.
Yeah.
Hopefully I can keep this. Whoa.
Oh, did you drop it?
Nope.
Don't drop it.
It's crazy how that goes right to the floor.
Is it installed?
That one is.
Come on, get it in there.
Oh, bro.
Come on, Ben.
Got it.
There you go. Alright, then, if I'm not mistaken, which I probably am, this is next.
Okay.
This nice little plate here, and then we're gonna bolt it in.
Which way does it go?
Okay.
No, it goes this way.
you just flipped it
Oh, it
360.
definitely goes this way.
Wait.
Wait, where's the instructions?
Yeah, let's take a quick 2 minutes.
Alright, now you need your hardwares.
Home hardware.
What hardware are we using on this one? The Allen head. The long ones right there.
Sorry, I'm going in blind. If I get one on each side done, then there's no chance of it falling into
That's
the
true.
abyss.
You're thinking ahead. Alan, want to grab some Adam keys? Oh!
There's ones that say drill bits and taps, just below the. There's I can give you a sample if you want to see the size.
These are actually really good shifters.
I'm actually so stoked. I've never had a nice shifter. In
Like
this
you
car.
know when it has this many like parts, you know it's good.
Yeah.
You,
They've like engineered each one of these perfectly to make it work.
really good. Last one.
Did you?
You didn't get any, man.
I need the sample.
Oh my god.
I'm doing fucking bit bends. Let's
Ow.
go. I'm doing
It's
fucking
Loctited.
business stuff.
I like how you're really trusting me with this.
Well, I know that I just want it to work good, so I know that I hear what you say.
Yeah, those are the ones.
All right.
And they go here, 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 and here. And depending on how far you screw them down, will determine how tight
Wait, Ben,
your shifts are.
Ooh.
Yeah, I'm telling them exactly what to do because I know exactly what I'm doing.
I've heard that before.
Give me this. Give it to me. Give it to me. We missing one?
No, I just wanted another one to
Oh.
get a sample. So, what do you think for tightness level? You want like?
Dude. I mean, how hard are you be slamming gears, man? I don't think I'm in the hole on this one, though. Did I miss it? Is it caught?
Is it?
No, it's sticking out the damn side.
Oh, see, that's why we put the safety bolt in first.
Adam, you wanna grab the top plate?
Holy fuck. Adam, get this. Adam, get that. Get alright, get your own fucking shit.
Yeah, you know what? We know what we're doing in here, okay?
Did you grease all that shit? Like,
Yeah,
especially
it's all been
the
greased.
ball?
Yeah. Oh wait, no, Ben says we did. No, we did, Adam, we did. We did.
Yeah, but he like.
No, we did.
All right, we're putting this upper plate on. I'm just gonna set all these screws in there first. And you can
Right.
also you can put this on whatever way you want to. It'd probably be smartest to look which way the logo is gonna go first. I'm assuming it would be ideal down there.
But you know what?
We wanted the passenger to be able to see that it has a cube.
Yeah.
Because I know.
You know it's in there.
I'm assuming this thing would sandwich on the adjuster screws, and then that would kind of tell how far down this would thread, and then that would dictate the
The tautness.
tightness.
You're
I'm
absolutely,
assuming.
absolutely correct. Man.
That would make sense in my head.
Big shout out to Cube though for sending one of these to Ben and to me.
We're gonna be shifting like no tomorrow in no time.
No doubt. It's looking clean in there then. Are you gonna go max
Excited.
extendo on your shift shaft?
You can make them adjust. You can adjust them.
Yeah.
Oh,
Depending on how high up this nut is.
Well, I'm going.
Like I'm literally gonna put mine like 2 threads engaged so I can get max extendo.
I want it to be like
Yeah.
one of those sequential shifters.
That's sick
This-
how they include this actually, because this
Yeah.
gasket's like $30, I think.
Yeah. Let's try that first.
How much extend do you want?
That's good.
Good, mint?
Yeah.
Alright, tauten it down, dude.
Ooh.
Get the Allens for that. Was that really tight? Listen to that.
Ooh.
Sounds good.
That's fancy.
Sounds like a cube.
That's too nice for my car.
Let me feel it. Oh, dude. That's real nice.
I want to do the centering springs, but there's no way that I can do it through this hole. So I need to do it up on the hoist when I have a chance.
Adam, you want to grab the cube knob?
Test purposes.
And the threads, yeah.
I like it.
It's a tight shifter.
It is tight. It's so like much nicer than stock. Yeah.
How notchy.
It's not like annoyingly notchy. It's like nice. Like you can tell what gear you're in. It's not like so small of a change where you don't know what gear you're in.
That's one of the
That's
quality you'll get from Cube.
Yeah.
That's for darn certain. That's for darn tootin', isn't it?
Look
Yeah.
at that.
Oh yeah, now it's complete.
Absolutely slamming gears.
Wow. I'm impressed.
All right, Ben. So you can't actually drive the car right now,
Yeah.
but what do you think?
I'm excited to drive now. I just gotta fix some other stuff and then I'm good to go. But I finally have a nice shifter. That's like one of the most like touching points of the car is the shifter. And now I can shift with pleasure.
Yeah. So
Thanks to Cube.
big shout out to Cube.
Huge shout out to Cube. Link in the description. Get yourself. The thing is, you could buy a shitty, slightly cheaper one for like $20 less than their regular one, but then you're just changing it out once it starts whining and making all kinds of bullshit. You know?
Yeah, do it right the first time.
Yeah. So just fucking buy the Cube.
Ben, you want to pop ski the hood real quick before we end this video? Let them know what's going on.
You like
yeah.
the rest of us.
Oh yeah.
Crazy.
Yeah. I don't know where we last had a video of on this car.
Well, the last video was like, some people might not know this is actually putting out like 2,000 ponies.
In the last video, more than that now.
You've upped it.
Yeah.
What, new tune?
Yeah.
Where
Well,
you at now?
I just put the catch can in.
Oh, so you're at like 5,000 now probably?
At least, yeah.
To the wheels, right?
Yeah.
Not to the crank.
The crank's like 10.
Holy shit, man.
10,000. It's probably in part because of the Cube.
Yeah, 10,000 horse ponies in this thing, man.
Yeah.
In fact.
This RB is just screaming down the road.
That like scene in Too Fast Too Furious when they're like, "Yo, Brian, we got a race. You got 4 minutes," and he's like, "I'm good to go." And he has his towel turban on, and he goes and he gets in his car and he starts it up, and he goes and he's like weaving in and out of traffic. That was so cool.
Remodeled it from.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is it's better though. It's
Look at that brake master saw.
Yeah. Where's Brake Master?
clean. Available in the link below. Come on now. Ben's swapping this thing with 4-lug because with all that horsepower, he needs some good 15s to hold it down.
Comment below what wheels you should put onto it.
Oh, sorry, that was totally not even on your face there.
That's okay. You know it's fucking ugly anyway.
This fit image isn't gonna do well. You fit my fist in between.
What are you doing? You doing long champs you said on this or something?
I think so. I can't
4
decide.
long champs. That's kind of cool, Beans. Comment below what you should do.
I almost don't want to do long champs because it's so common, but not on R32. So
Yeah,
maybe
I
it would
kind
be-
of ruined that, hey?
Well, I didn't mean it like that. But
Who got their wheels first, Noah? Thanks again to Cube. Link in the description. Pick up one of their short shifters. The best bang for the buck. The best quality. Plus they're Australian.
Great
So
people.
put a shrimp on that Barbie. Chelsea, thank you again for your support. Thanks for this great picture. I forgot about that. These were dark times. And Ben's got his new shirt. He's gonna hit the town with his new Cube shirt on, looking clean. Yeah. What?
get all the ladies now,
Yes.
or men.
Stay
whatever you
tuned for the
prefer.
next one.
Skidoo!